Second question, if the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find the distance between the points A and B. Okay, so there are different examples where they have given us the value of what is x and what is y, the coordinates. Okay, x and y values are given to us, so we will take them as the coordinates and we have to compare them and then find the distance between the points A and B. So here x, in the first sub question, they have given here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. So among 1 and 7, 7 is greater than 1. So we know that 7 greater than 1. Therefore, distance between the points A and B is 7 minus 1, which is 6. Going to the second sub question, we have x is 6, y is minus 2. Among 6 and minus 2, 6 is greater than minus 2. Therefore, we write 6 greater than minus 2. So, we know that 6 is greater than minus 2. Therefore, the distance between the points A and B will be 6 minus 2. So, that is 6 minus into minus is plus. So, 6 plus 2, which is 8. The third sub question, x is minus 3, y is 7. Always a positive number is greater than a negative number. Therefore, 7 greater than minus 3. So, we know that 7 is greater than minus 3. Therefore, the distance between the points A and B will be 7 minus 3. So, this will be 7 minus into minus is plus. So, 7 plus 3, which is 10. Going to the fourth sub question, x is minus 4, y is minus 5. We know that the distance between the points A and B. Okay, first we know that we have to write which coordinate is greater than the other. Both are negative. So, the smaller number with a negative sign is minus 4 is greater than the bigger number with a negative sign, that is minus 5. Therefore, the distance between the points A and B will be minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 4 minus into minus is plus 5. So, minus 4 plus 5. One number is plus, one number is minus here. So, the bigger number is 5 here. It is having plus sign. Therefore, your answer will be plus. 5 minus 4 is 1. Therefore, the distance between those points will be 1. Going to x equal to minus 3, y equal to minus 6. Here also both are negative. So, the smaller number with the negative sign is greater than the bigger number with the negative sign. Therefore, minus 3 greater than minus 6. Therefore, distance between the points A and B is minus 3 minus 6. That is minus 3 plus 6. Now, among these two, we see that the bigger number is having the plus sign. Therefore, your answer will be plus. 6 minus 3 is 3. Going to the last sub question, x is 4, y is minus 8. Among this, which coordinate is greater? The positive number is always greater than the negative number. Therefore, 4 is greater than minus 8. We know that 4 is greater than minus 8. Therefore, distance between the points A and B will be 4 minus 8. That will be 4 minus into minus is plus 4 plus 8, which is 12. So, this we have completed now the second question.